Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: admin access to Google Workspace and your Hostinger control panel. Once done, verify domain ownership in Google Admin so Google can host mail for that domain. This is essential because DNS control must point to Google. Make sure to copy the verification TXT record. Next, log into Hostinger's dashboard and open DNS Zone Editor. You're now ready to replace or add records. That step is next, and it's where accuracy matters for mail flow. You'll now add the core DNS entries on Hostinger. First, remove any conflicting MX records so mail routes cleanly. Then add Google's MX records with correct priorities. This tells the internet to deliver mail to Google's servers. Add an SPF TXT record that includes SPF, Google.com to reduce spoofing and spam. Once you enable DKIM signing in Google Admin, publish the provided CNAME record. Finally, set TTL to a moderate value, like 3,600 seconds, so changes propagate predictably. You finish by verifying DNS propagation and Google configuration. Use Hostinger's DNS check or a dig lookup to confirm MX records point to Google. Propagation can take minutes to 48 hours depending on previous TTLs. Next, test sending and receiving from an external email account to confirm inbound and outbound flow. If something fails, check for typos, confirm SPF and DKIM are published correctly, and ensure no residual MX records remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.